Paano mo siya si Mang Kepweng nga dyan? See, if you look mine, if I do it, see. Stretch your back. Is are you wearing do you want to have something that's your so obvious anak. Jake, Julie, can you just when you fix your hair, go to the mirror so you can see it. Yeah, I think you need to have a vest. If yeah, if there's she can eat first. Mm. Julie, is there any way like I have a question. Is there any way that like Jade like all the way not having in the middle? Okay. Okay. Well, just yeah, just don't put. I don't think. Let me see. I don't think you can take this out. It's tight. Okay. Bye, guys. Okay. Oo. Oo nga yan nga yung binili. Oo nga, kaya nga nagustuhan niya yan. Hey, daddy and mommy is gonna go back there, and then you guys will stay here by yourself and watch baby until Tidong and grandma come home. Is that okay? Yeah, the rule is don't touch anything that cooking, no cooking, okay? No, oh, just the microwave, but not on the cooking cooktop. No stove, yeah, yeah. No, it's not fixed though. Ayan na naman siya. Diyos ko. Nang ganyan. Oh no! Remember, grandma wanna buy that, the Barbie anak. Oh yeah, oh she's... Have grandma fix your hair, anak. Okay, you wanna play first? Okay, play first. Just tell grandma, grandma play first.